Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share another healthy breakfast recipe with millet and raw jackfruit, specially good for diabetes and obese people. This crispy dosa is loaded with fiber, low glycemic index and all essential vitamins and minerals. Let us see how to prepare this raw jackfruit dosa or halasinakai dosa. Here I have taken 1.5 cups of little millet. You can use any millet of your choice. Usually this dosa is prepared with rice as a base. This is the famous dosa of Mangalore area or Dakshina Kannada. Wash the millet thoroughly and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. After 8 hours of soaking, transfer the soaked millet into blending jar. By adding minimum amount of millet soaked water, grind it to form smooth paste. Millet soaked water contains essential vitamins and minerals, so don't discard the water. Transfer it to a bowl. Here I have taken 3 cups of cleaned raw jackfruit pieces. Transfer it to blending jar. Add very little water and grind it to form smooth paste. Raw jackfruit is also rich with fiber and low glycemic index, especially good for diabetic and obese people. Transfer it to previous mixture. Now add pink Himalayan salt as per taste and give a good mix. Here no fermentation is required. The batter should be little thick. This is the perfect consistency of the batter. Now heat cast iron tawa on medium flame. Take half spoon of batter and spread as thin as possible. Cooking in cast iron tawa helps for the better absorption of iron. Cover and cook. This dosa will have the unique taste and smell of raw jackfruit. Now the dosa is cooked perfect. You can see the crispiness of the dosa. Flip the dosa. Super healthy raw jackfruit dosa or kai sole dosa or halasinakai dosa is ready to serve. Serve hot with the ginger chutney. Ginger chutney pacifies the gas or vata of raw jackfruit. If you are not diabetic, you can try organic honey with this dosa. It goes very well with the raw jackfruit dosa. Try this healthy dosa and stay healthy. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.